Hi, I'm Madhu. Today, we'll be seeing about the paperless maintenance data story. We have visited a lot of manufacturing industries. We noticed that they are still doing their maintenance process using papers. It was a bunch of papers which was stored inside a store area where they'll be able to fetch the details whenever needed. Isn't it a tedious process? To give a solution to this particular problem, we came up with a solution called preventive maintenance, which is actually the paperless preventive maintenance. So what you have to do here is a simple 4-step process. I would say 3 rather, because the first process is a one-time configuration process. All you have to do is to configure your entity, your checklist, your missions, or the assets inside the system, where this comes as the second process, in which you'll be able to schedule for the selected asset what are all the checklists that you're going to execute. All you have to do is to execute the checklist, which we will help you to get notified with the respective assigned user. What are we going to do with this data is the next set of questions. So once this data is ready and you have executed for around 6 months and the same kind of issue raises again, all you have to do is go into the ticket. When you are resolving it, we directly recommend you, is it root cause which you are looking for? Once the checklist execution is over, the user can either raise a ticket from the checklist execution or directly inside the resolution work order area. You can also identify the amount of time taken by the maintenance engineer to resolve this complete ticket. We give you much more insights on this. We also noticed that the maintenance engineers among the organization have a much more collaborative work environment using our system. To check on the preventive maintenance, the paperless preventive maintenance, get in touch with Max by Technologies. Thank you.